Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to start off with a quote instead of just having a picture in the background. Hopefully, find it a little bit meaningful and interesting. And here we go. We're going to do our star battle puzzle, which I found to be very fun. Follow along with me, and I'll show you a couple of tips and tricks on how to solve these things. And away we go. Here we are. So, basic rules. Every one of these solid boxes must have a star in it. So I can even highlight with my little highlighter tool there. There's a solid box here. So somewhere in these boxes there must be a star. Okay, somewhere in there needs to be a star. And when you click and say I want to put a star here, nowhere in any adjacent square can there be a star. It can't be one up, down, left, right, or diagonal. Okay, so if my original star is here, none of these can be stars. Also, in any given row or any column, you may only have one star. In fact, you must have at least one star, but not double up. Unless you get to this two-star puzzles. Two-star puzzles would have two. For two-star puzzles, the stars per row would be two. And a three-star and four-star and so on. So you could change your size over here. By the way, the website, in case you missed it, puzzle-star-battle.com. And here we go. Let's try some of these. One of the simplest things when they give you one that only can contain one row or one column, one of these has to be a star. So that means this, and this cannot be a star because it has to be in these two. So that's nice. That's helpful. And we know that once there is a star, we know there's nothing else around it that can be stars. So that's helpful as well. All right, what else do we got here? Well, this one here now, because this is a X, there's no star there. Star is going to be one of these two. And so we know this, and this cannot be stars. And if we put the star here, neither one of these could be a star. But one of them must be. So the star has to go here for this one. That means this is an X, this is an X, this is an X. Once I put the star in, I X all the vertical and all the horizontal. This is a star, so I X all the vertical and all the horizontal. So that's helpful. Notice in this box here, there's only one last spot that you could have a star. So X there, X, X. So your star availability here is, of these four, this star, if I put another star there, it would be too close, diagonal. So this one has to be here, this one has to be here. Done. Donezo. And look at it, we got it right. Pew, pew, pew. Let's try a little harder one. Sometimes I get in trouble when I do one that's too hard, just right off the bat like so. So let's try this, let's try 8 by 8. What's the worst that could happen? I'll tell you the worst that could happen. I make a mistake, then I have to go back and edit and all that kind of stuff. Just kidding. Mistakes are fine, ladies and gentlemen. Mistakes are fine. Hey, look at that. One of the things, again, is so very nice is when you have one that's all vertical or horizontal, right? So we know that these ones cannot be a star because the star is going to be in here somewhere. And the same is true for this one. That's what I look for. I say, well, if we only have two options left, then I cannot have any of these be stars because there's going to be a star here or here. We also know that there's going to have to be a star in this weird shaped one. I'm not saying that's that weird. I'm not saying that in a bad way. But you're going to have a star here. And if I have a star here, it would negate a star in either one of these. So you know that's not the case. Same would be true in this one. If I had a star here, both of these could not be stars. So I think we have our choice there. And once I have a star, I can fill out horizontal and vertical columns with X's because there can't be any more stars in those rows. All right, or diagonal. So now we know there's going to have to be a star in this row somewhere in there. All right, what else do we got? Oh, look out. So in this column, in this little boot-shaped quadrant, we only have one spot left. And so these will all be stars. That means we are given this one. And so I think you'll find them pretty fun. As you can see, there's just so much fun to be had with these. Look at the bigger ones. If these go too quick, look for some more challenging puzzles, challenging sizes. All right, what else we got? Well, we're gonna need a star in here. And remember, only one star per one of these regions. Okay, there's only one left in here, one box. There it is. Found it. So again, I X off horizontal, I X off vertical, and then all of the surrounding stars as well. Notice if I had a star here, there would be no possible star in any of these. So we know there can't be a star there. If I had a star here, all of these would be out of business, so to speak. So that can't be a star. Which means that you're going to have, in this box here, you will have to have the star that is vertical. So we can't have a star here. You know, I put it as a star. And what else do we know? Well, I know that if there's a star here or here, one of these has to be a star. That means this one cannot be, because a star here would negate that box, and a star here would mark that as a non-star spot. So we got these two will have to have a star, which means not this. The star for this box then is here, and this means this cannot be a star. Star here, not here, star here, done. All right, I hope you're having fun with these puzzles. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. I'll send it back to you in your home office, and I hope you take care, be safe.